Hey guys, welcome to the stream once again. Yesterday, as you have seen, wait, was it yesterday? No, 2 days ago, as you have seen, um, I was making a little corn harvesting game. So basically, like a tractor with, you know, smart mechanical arms that collects corn from a field. Um, and today, I wanted to improve things a little bit. So as you can see, I have this new and improved um, tractor and a new and improved arm. So currently the tractor doesn't have animations or anything. But the arm, the arm also doesn't have the functionality, but you know, kind of back to square one, but I really want to polish things a little bit. But I can move it around. And most importantly, the new mechanical arm is very cool. So let me show you. So see, it has a target here, and look how it moves. Whoa, it's like Dr. Octopus or something. So now it's really, really cool. And also, I added some blend shapes here to the tip of the claw, so I can do this. Yeah, the mesh is changed. Oh, sorry. Oh my god, where's my water? Ah! Oh, I'm still sick. Hate Toxvar. I'm sorry. So blend shapes. So whoa. The master is changing here, but I'll fix that later. But looks good enough for now. So what I want to do today might be just a short stream, but I want to do an improved claw behavior, because the claws were really janky on the other video, and I want to improve that. So I will do that right away. So we have here the corn crop, and it does have the corn behavior, so it can be available or not. And when I start the game, it's gonna give me the position of the cob, so I know where to grab onto the cob. Let me change that right now. Actually, doesn't make sense to store the position of the cob. I'll just store the game object of the cob, like so. And on awake, I will do cob equals. Actually, I don't have to do that. I'll just save this, go back to Unity. And on the prefab here, I'll simply just drag the corn into the cob. Where is the cob? Did the script not save or something? Oh, that's weird. Public game object cob. Yeah, that's it. That should be it. Okay, so corn behavior is not updating for some reason. Let me try to figure out what that is. Let me just try to add a new variable here. Oh, sorry, there were errors in the inspector, that's why. Okay, cool. So I'll go to the prefab again. Let me just change something here. Okay, awesome. So now if I go to the prefab, we'll drag the cob here. Cool. So that should be all we need for now. So I'll create a script called ArmBrain Mark II. I'm going to drag it to the ARM. The ARM itself is Mark III, so that's confusing because it's the third iteration of the model, but this is the second iteration of the script. Wait, where's my stream here? Cool. Let me just open my stream on another window so I know what's going on. Whoops. Cool. Okay, nice. All right, so ArmBrain Mark II. So it has a script here. First thing we need, oh, let me move back to coding. First thing we need is a reference to the target of the ARM, which is the most important thing. Also, we need a list of, let me do like, of corn behaviors. Oops. Corn list equals new list corn behavior. Cool. So this is going to be the list of all the corn that we have around us. And then we're going to have public enum ARM states. So we're going to have different states that the ARM can be in. So first one, of course, is the idle. The other is the targeting. The other is harvesting. And the other is delivery. Like this. And then we do public ARM states, current state equals idle. Okay, so it's gonna start on the idle state. Pretty simple stuff. Go back to Unity. Let's assign some things here. So the target, boom, current state item, idle, and the corn list should be the corn. So the corn list is the corn that's immediately around the tractor. So I just do for now these 4 corns here. Of course, I'm gonna add it dynamically, but for testing purposes, I'll just add them manually right now. Okay. Okay, so back to the scripts. So I'm gonna do a method called public void check list. So this is gonna check the list of corn, and if it has corn that is available, then we're gonna target that corn. So that's the first step. So if corn list dot count greater than 0, then we're gonna take the first element on the list. So corn list 0. So we're gonna make it not available, equals false. And also we're gonna do corn behavior current corn target, and then current corn target equals corn list the first element. So let's do context menu checklist, so I can activate that in the inspector. Okay, so if current list is greater than 0, and then we change the states, current state equals targeting, states.targeting. Just thinking, maybe the idle state should have a little animation, so. Okay, so I'll do this. So I'll do here at the bottom, I'll do public transform idle position. And then I'm gonna create here under the arm an empty game object called idle position. So that's the position, that's like the resting position of the arm, okay? Maybe like here. And I'm gonna go to the script here, arm, and I'm gonna move idle position into idle position, okay? So let me make a state here, public void idle. So I'll do current state. Hey Omen, how's it going, mon ami? Equals idle. Okay, so I changed the state to idle, and then I changed the target dot position equals idle position dot position. Okay, so at the start of the game, we're gonna do idle. And then I think I'm gonna do like a Nightwing animation. So let me remember how to do that here. So public void idle down. I'll just do like a bobbing animation. Public void idle up. Ça va bien? How are you doing? I'm okay, man. Just got a little bit of leftover cough because I was sick a few weeks ago. Probably gonna be coughing for like a month or two, which sucks, but otherwise I'm doing okay. Alright, so let's do a Nightwing animation here. So let's do target.GameObject. We're gonna change the position to new vector 3 idle position dot x, and then I'll do like XYZ. However, I'll do like a random dot range. So random dot range. So idle position minus 0.5f, and then idle position dot position the y plus 0.5f. So this will give us like, oh sorry, the y shouldn't be randomized. Yeah, let's do it like this for now. So okay, on complete targets. So let's do this. Idle up. And then let's do the same thing for this. So plus 0.5 and then idle down. I don't know if it's gonna work. Let's see. This is probably gonna be looping forever, so let's try this. The arms idle animations. Go back into Unity. Okay, so I mean it is. What if I move? Oh. If I move, oh, I see, because it's on the world position. It looks like it's trying to, I don't know. It looks kind of like, it looks weird, but it's kind of cool. It's like it's alive or something. Also, let me reduce the speed because it's too fast. It's jerking too much. So let's do in like 0.8 seconds. And also I'm gonna change the X and X and Z position. So plus random dot range. So I'm gonna variate between like 0.5f and 0.5f, like so. So idle position plus random dot range. So I'm gonna do that for all of the X and Z's, like so. Whoops. So there's a little bit of a variation. And you're not seeing the code. Sorry. Fuck. Okay, so basically what I did is I just took the X and Z positions and added a random dot range between minus 0.5 or 0.5, just so it goes to like a a random position every time. So let's try that. Also should go a little slowly now. Yeah, the problem is that it's staying behind. I'm not sure how to make it be in local space. So let me check that right now. So I tween move in local space. Oh. There's literally like a thing called is local equals true. Easy as that. Let's see. So I just go here and I do is local true. Okay, let's see. Now the target is in fucking outer space or something. Oh, I see. Sorry, I know what it is. It should be. Let me think. Oh, sorry. Someone's calling me. Who the frick is calling me? Sorry, just on my phone. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so I gotta find a way to. Oh, okay, I think I know. I think, let me just comment this out and create a copy here. I think it can be. I think it just needs to be like this without the out of position stuff. Like so. So render the range. I think. So remove all item. Oh, sorry, you're not seeing what I'm doing. Sorry. Like so. So I removed all the out of position because now it's in local space. So let's try again. Now it's really weird. It's going like super far for some reason. So position. Just analyzing the code here because I have no idea. Why is it behaving so weirdly? Whoa. I mean, it's kind of cool. It's like it's playing fetch with itself. Okay, I think I'm overcomplicating things. Let me just, I hate to do this, but I'll just download the iTween examples. I bought this like many years ago on the asset store. So let me just do that because they probably have an example for bobbing like animations. So let's see here. Import. Okay, so it should be in the project. So let's investigate some of the examples here. There are errors in this. Oh, okay. iTween examples. Okay, so let's open the scene. Oh, accurate lob. Fly through, grid movement, memory game, orbit, path. Let's try the orbit one. Okay, so we have this. All right. That's rather unremarkable. Wait. Oh, sorry. I think there is like one main scene for the iTween. No. Uneven terrain, value to example, waypoint usage, working physics, sliding menu. Whoa. Okay, that's not what I want though. Path example, orbit, memory game, grid movement. Let's try orbit again. So let me open the orbit. So let's see here. Where's the script though? point? I don't understand. Oh, okay, so it has like a point. Oh, okay, maybe this is what I need. So it kind of moves between the points. That's interesting. Yeah, maybe that's what I need. So let's see the point script here. It's a very simple script. I'm pretty sure that's not it. Man, where's the function? Oh, sphere. Oh, sphere. Okay, path mover. Cool. So this is what I need. Okay, this is what I need. So move to. So move to path. Time of 1. You set the ease in type. One second. So the ease in type is linear. You're not seeing what I'm seeing. Shit. Sorry. Okay, so now you're seeing what I'm seeing. So ease in type is linear. Loop type. Okay, so I need this one, but I need to understand. So it needs a list of transforms called path, and then you put move to on the path, and then you just loop it. Okay, so this is the script that I need. So what I will do is I'll go to ARM-Brain Mark II, and then I'll remove these scripts here, and I'll do the following. So I'll copy the script here, and then on the ARM-Brain Mark II, I will make a path called idle path, like this, and then I'll do, let me remember, position, target.game object. Yeah, so here, so target game object, and then I'll put it on the idle path. Okay, so if I go back to Unity, I will open my scene, and under the player here, where's the arm? Here. Okay, so I'll have idle position. I'll do like 1 and 2, like so. So it's gonna move here and here, here and here, here and here. And then under the arm object, I'll do idle path. I'll add 2 objects. One is the idle position 1 here, and idle position 2. Boom. So now, ideally, it should just put on that path, and it will loop forever. Oh. Yeah, that's not how it's supposed to work. Why is this staying in place? It doesn't make fucking sense. Wait, is it because of this error? I think I need to change something here. So let me itween local space. I forgot the code. Is local equals true. So let me do here. So is local true. So maybe that will fix it. Now, yeah, now it's not doing anything. Okay. Yeah, now he's just aiming to the sky. Oh my god, this is supposed to be simple. Like, what the fuck? It's fine. I'm trying to think here. Like, why is it not working? Like, it doesn't make sense. First of all, I messed up something here. So I think I need to add the first element again so it loops back like so. Yeah, now it's just jerking. But strangely, see, it stays in place, which is kind of cool, but like this will be useful when I want to get the corn because it needs to stay in that spot. But for the auto animation, it can't be that. Maybe if I put this on update or something? No, I'm not sure. Between loop type, let's see loop type. This is not supposed to be that hard. I don't know why I'm stumped by this. It's embarrassing, but... Okay, so move to path. Let me just find the parameters for this thing here. So, iTween documentation. Move to. Okay, so orient to path. Move to path. Move to path. For weather, automatically generate a curve for the game object's current position to the beginning of the path, true by default. Let's try to change it to true to see what it does. It looks cool. It's gonna look really cool when I'm done with this, but right now it's not working. Okay, so this did nothing. Let's see. Is local for other to animate in word space or relative to the parent. False by default. Okay, so you see, like, it's moving between these two positions here, right? But when I move the tractor, the position changes, but the arm stays there. Like, it doesn't make sense because I think it puts them on the path when they call the method, but it doesn't move them. Let me try again. So let me try. I think I'm on the right path. So is local. Oh, sorry, code. So let me do is local equals true. And let me see if it moves with it. Okay, so where is the target now? Yeah, so now it is moving with it, but the position is all weird. Okay, so let me think. You're so smart, thank you. Not really. If I was, I would figure this out by now. But I will eventually. I'm not smart, but I'm perseverant or whatever. I don't know how to say that. Man, I don't know. Look ahead, look time. I'm just checking the documentation here, because update parameters, non-complete target. Okay, I think I'm doing this wrong. I think I shouldn't try to animate this with iTween. Yeah. So let's do the following. Public bool animating idle. Okay. And I'm gonna have to ask ChatGPT because I'm too lazy to do it some other way, but I want to animate with a sign. So let's see. How do I animate an object up and down using a sign function on update? That transition slaps. Thank you, sir. Took me a few hours to make it, but it was worth it. I need to make more, like when I transition to Blender and stuff. Okay, so I got the code. So I'm gonna do if animating idle. Then I don't know how performant this is, but then I'm gonna do target.position equals vector3, and I'm gonna do idle position dot x, idle position dot z, and then I'll just do like 1 1, and I forgot to do this. So sign value, this is like advanced math, man. Like I don't think I know this because I don't. Cool. So let's see how it works now. First try, man. It's gonna work first try. No, it didn't. It did nothing. Oh, because the variable is not true. Animating idle. Whoa. Okay, I mean. Oh, this is good. It is kind of almost there. So the idle position here. Yes. So idle position dot x. Cool. Let's see. Why is it going so low though? Like. Oh, okay, sorry. Idle position dot y plus 1 times sign value. Oh, you're not seeing the script as usual. I need to learn how to automate this. There should be a way to automate this anyways. So let's animate the arm. Okay. Now we got the animation we want, right? Cool. So when we do idle, we're gonna do animating idle. actually we're gonna do like so let's do the following. So wait, this is confusing, sorry. So let's do the iTween. I know I said I wouldn't use it that much, but it's fine. So let's do iTween. So when I do the idle, I'm gonna move the target to the idle position, dot position. Okay, so on complete, I'll do public void animate idle, like so, and then it's gonna set animating idle to true. Okay, so yes, it's gonna move it in like 1 second or like 0.5 seconds or something. And then it's gonna set the animations. Okay, this should maybe work, hopefully. I did not see it working, so let's try again. I don't understand what's going on, so let me just move the target here. So it starts, it goes to the why? Okay, why is it moving? Oh, sorry. Yeah, there was a bug. I just fixed it. Okay, so let's try again. Okay, so it starts there, but then it moved. So the animation is now on item. So it's gonna move to the position of the idle position, and then it's gonna start animating. So yeah, see? Okay, cool. All right, so now when we check the list, we change it to targeting. So I'm gonna do public void target. So let's do target here. And I'll change the state here. You're not seeing the code, of course. So we're gonna call this method, it's gonna target. So it's gonna set the state to targeting. And then we're gonna move, let's do iTween dot move to, and then we're gonna move the target smoothly. Let me just freaking copy this. We're gonna move to the current corn target dot cob dot position dot transform dot position. So we're gonna move it to the cob's position. Okay, and then when we target, we're gonna move in like 1 second or something. And when we reach the target, I'm gonna do like a boolean called public bool target locked. So once we finish the animation, the arm's gonna be locked onto the corn, which is a very weird sentence to say, but so let's do like public void lock on. So once we finish the animation, we're gonna do lock on, and then target locked equals true when we lock on. So if target locked equals true, then we do target dot position equals current corn target dot cob dot transform dot position. Also, we gotta check if current corn target is not null. Correct? Okay. One more thing. Once we target, oh, okay, that's already okay. Yeah, okay, cool. Cool, so let's see. All right, so we're here. So we have these corn crops on our list. How do I target again? Oh, we do checklist. So I'll check the list. See, it moved to the corn. And now it's locked in place. Okay? However, notice it's moving very slowly. So it's gonna move faster, like a real... Oh, you're not seeing that what's happening as usual. Sorry. So let me do that again. So I'm just changing the value here. So it moves in 0.3 seconds to the corn. So okay, so it's idling. Okay, you see this? So I'm gonna do target checklist. So oh, it moved now too fast. Fuck. Okay, sorry. Let me do like 0.5 seconds. Let's try again. Okay, so target checklist. Yeah, see? So we moved to the corn. And now it's kind of like locked. Also, I need to make the corn bigger. It's a very tiny corn. So do that now. This should be okay. Okay, so got the arm. Check the list. Yeah, this is really cool. Okay, so as we are targeting, we're also gonna check the distance. We're gonna do debug.log. Wait, let me just do like a variable here. Public float distance to cob. So let's debug the log. Distance and distance to cob equals vector3 dot distance transform dot position target dot position, or rather I'll just do target dot position. So we know when to detach. We detach the thing. I hate there's an error that keeps appearing but it doesn't tell me what it is. Anyways. So let's target. Checklist. Okay, so now we're targeting. We are not targeting. Why are we not targeting? Oh, because it only does once? Oh, I put the wrong in the code in the wrong place. So sorry. It's on updates when we are locked here. So when we're locked, we're gonna print the distance to the target. So let me actually change this. Distance to target. Cool. Okay, so checklist. See, so we're at 5.5 distance, so it can be closer as well, so it can be super close. But then, see, like once we're fully stretched, so that's 7.1, 7.2-ish. Yeah, see? 7.17. Yeah, I'm trying to... I'll do like if it's bigger than 7.1, then we're gonna detach. So this should be easy. So now that we have the code here, I'm gonna do a script called public void detach, and then once we detach, we just call the idle. I guess we could just call the idle directly. Actually, no. So on the detach, we do target locked equals false, and then we're gonna have some other code here later, but this should do. So let's do another if inside the, like nested inside the other if, which is not good, but you can't escape it always, as long as you're not doing like tsundere dev code, which is very peculiar. But anyways, if distance to target is bigger than, I think it was 7.1f, then we detach and we go back to the idle position, to the idle whatever. Cool. So okay, so we're attached. So once we move out, yep, cool. It actually, it seems to be detaching like, oh no, it is actually working. It's just the idle animation. Oh, sorry, you're not seeing it as usual. Crap. Okay. So here you see checklist, and then once you move after a certain distance, it just goes back, and then I can like yoink. However, the idle animation is still kind of slow, so I'm gonna change that. So so 0.5, I'm gonna do like 0.2 or something. Yeah, this is better. So this is nice because if I try to check the list, and for some reason try to grab a corn that is not available, which is something that might happen because maybe you're trying to get a corn that you're like almost away from, then it just tries to go and then it comes back. Like, no. Cool. All right, so the next thing is, let me think. I need to. Wait, so once I call the checklist, this corn target will be filled, yeah? So once I detach, I should also make it null. So let me do that now. It's kind of funny, it tries to reach it, yeah. It's like, no, please, I want the corn. So let's do, when I detach, I'll do current corn target equals null. Right, so, and I will only check the list. So I'll do if current corn target is null, then I'll return. Or sorry, it's not null, then I'll return. Because if the current corn target is not null, then it means that we're interacting with the corn. So okay, so at the idle animation, so on the end of animate idle, I'm gonna check the list again to see. So this might be like an automated process. Like it resets, the system resets itself. See? It keeps going for the same corn because it goes for the first one on the list, which happens to be this one. Yeah, so as long as that one exists, it will keep trying to go for it. So I'm gonna revamp the corn animation as well. But right now I'll just I'll just add the animation to harvest the corn. Also, I need to make it... Oh, this is bad. Because it keeps trying to get corn that is not... Yeah, I guess this will fix itself later. But this is kind of cool though. But I also need to animate the blend shape somehow. So iTween, can I animate a value in iTween? iTween, how can I animate a variable using Unity's asset iTween? Let's see. Value 2, that's the one, value 2. Okay. So when the thing is targeting, so when it is targeting, I want it to go from 15 to like 80. Cool. So let me see how I do that. Let me just check how I do this. Okay, so I think I need to do skin mesh. Let me figure out. So public skin mesh render, skin mesh rend. And then I'll do so when it targets, I'm gonna do, yeah, this might be, I've never done this, but let's see. iTween.value2. I'm gonna do game object. iTween.hash from, I forgot the number that I said. I think it's like 15 or something. 15 to, and then 285, I think it was. Time, I'm gonna do it in like same amount of time, 0.5f. Then on updates, I'm gonna do on render update. No, on blend shape update. Ease type. Oops. Oh. Ease type. Tween dot ease type. Ease. Oh. Ease in out. In out. Is in out quad. Okay, so then I create a function called on blend shape update, and on this function I'm gonna try to, I'll do like float new value. I'll do skin mesh render dot set blend shape weights, so the first one to new value. Okay, let's see if it works first try or not. So I go to the arm and I add the blend shape here. Let's see. Oh, it did work first try. And similarly, I'll do, when it goes to idle, I'll do this, but I'll do from skin mesh render dot get blend shape weight 0 to 15. So no matter where it is, it's gonna go back to 15. Also, there are different kind of like weights that I can do. So let me open the browser here. So let me do iTween. Oh, sorry, this is the one. Where is the thing? Oh my god, sorry, I'm trying to stream the browser, but it's so weird. I don't know why it doesn't. Whoops, sorry, that's not the one. Sorry, technical difficulties here. Man, it should be simple to stream a browser. What the frick, Streamlabs? Okay, you know what? I'll just stream my whole right monitor. Sure, whatever. So we have this, right? So this is the iTween documentation. iTween, by the way, is a really nice tool for making interpolated animations. And then we have the ease types here. Okay, there's all of these ease types. So they are standardized across like any interpolation software, I guess. And you can visualize them here. See? So it shows how each of them animate. So I want my claw to have like a snappy movement. So I think I'll do like, I think it's this one. Yeah, ease out back is good. Or is ease in out back is also good. Yeah, so let's try ease out back. So like it kind of like closes and goes back, or opens and goes back. So let me just copy the name here. And let's go to Unity, or rather to the code. And let's do the claw animation, ease out back. That's the one. ease out back. So it overshoots a little bit. Cool. Now let's go back to Unity. Also, I'll do ease out back for the other ones as well. Why not? Oh. Let's see. I just changed it on the script real quick. Let's see if it overshoots. Yeah. So you see how like it does a little like movement, like and you can make things more lively just by doing that, just by like adding a little bit of interpolation like that. Cool. So now we need to actually collect the corn. So we're gonna do, once it finishes targeting, we do the lock on, and then we're gonna do the following. So we're gonna set the value from whatever it is right now, and you're not seeing the code as usual. From whatever it is right now to dot get blend shape weight 0 to 0, I think, or to like 5 or so, or 10, right? So if I go back to Unity real quick, it's gonna take this and it's gonna go to from whatever it is to like 5 or 10 or so. Let's do 5. Yeah. So to 5 in like 0.5 seconds. So it's gonna like nyack. See? So like right away it already does the thing. And then once it finishes doing that, that's when it actually collects the corn. So, oh, you did not see that because I was in the code. Sorry. Let me show you it again. Oh my god, this is so annoying. I gotta figure something out. Anyway, so see? Nyack. So what I will do is I will have a fake corn inside the arm. So I'll just go to the meshes here. I have the corn. I'll add it to the claw. I'm gonna add the material. Actually, I'll just add the prefab here. So I'll add it to the last bone. Armature bone 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bone tip. That's the one. I'll move it here. Now rotate it in a way that doesn't look too weird. So I'm gonna do cube. Yeah, this is okay. It's not too bad. not too bad at all. Alrighty, so we have the, I'll call it fake corn. It's going to be disabled by default. Now we go back to our script. Let me just move it to the top here. And then we're going to have a variable public game objects fake corn. So at the start, we're going to do fake corn.setActive false. However, once we lock on, and once we finish this animation here to snatch it, I'll have an animation called public void harvest. And we're going to set it to true. So on complete target game object, to set the target to this very game object, and on complete, on complete, we are going to call the function called harvest. Easy. So on harvest, we're going to set the corn to true, and also on the corn behavior, we will have a method that is also called harvest. For now, we'll just do like game object dot set active false. We're just gonna disable it entirely, but we'll change it later. So we're gonna set the fake corn to true, and we're gonna do current corn dot harvest. Sorry, my brain glitched for a little while. So yeah, so we're gonna harvest the corn, but also we haven't been changing states too much. So what other states are there? Harvesting. Yeah, so actually harvesting happens like in one frame, so yeah, so let's skip that one. So delivering, so we go straight to delivering. So current state, so harvest. Once we harvest, then public void deliver, which we're gonna do later, but yeah, for now, like this, and then let's do deliver, okay, because we harvested the corn successfully. Now we just need to deliver it. So let's see if it's working. I think we need to assign some things here. Yeah, fake corn. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, we got it. This is kind of upside down though, so let me. It's not gonna be in the exact position of the corn that we harvest, but should be good enough. Or scale as well. Anyways, cool. Disable it. Let's see. Cool, so also when we get the corn, when we harvest the corn, we need to set the target locked to false, because it's no longer gonna be needing to lock on the target. So target locked equals false. Let's see. So check it out. So yoink. Oh, and then it goes back to idle. Strangely. It shouldn't. Oh, it is targeting. Anyways. So I'll just do deliver position here. So let's just put it like here or something. Yeah, I'll just put it on this tube here. I'll figure out like a proper place later. So let's go to the script. Let's do public transform deliver position. So I'll just assign that on the inspector real quick. Deliver position. Boom. Back to the scripts. And now to deliver the corn, we will do the following. So it is, oh, it is not targeting, it's delivering. And then we're gonna move let me think. Okay, so let me just try to do this. So I'll move the target object to the deliver position dot position. So on complete, I'm gonna do, there's so many methods here. I don't know if this is the best code, but so let me just do a release. Yeah, I just want it to be like really like serialized, you know, like this happens and this happens and this happens, just to make sure it's not super messy and it's organized. So once you deliver it, I want to move the thing back to being open at 85. Or not 85, just do like 50. 50 is the default. The time. And then it moves back to idle at the end. And then I will do corn, fake corn dot set active, false. Okay, so it's gonna deliver. So it's gonna move to the position and it's gonna let it go. Also, when we harvest the corn, we will remove, so we'll take the corn list, whatever it's called, they'll remove current corn target, like so. Just to make sure there are no weird, you know, things happening. So let's see. Oh, that was very fast. So he targets, he snatches the corn, yoink. And then he moves it to the position. But then the target moves right away to the thing. Let me think about it. Why does it move so fast? Let me check the state. So it's on idle now. So it is targeting. So I changed to targeting. It's gonna snatch it. Boom. So it's delivering. And then it's gonna let go. Delivering. What the fuck? Why? Ah, animating idle is... Okay, sorry. Animating idle was true for the whole process. See? So, animating idle... Yeah, it should be off like as soon as we're not idle anymore. So do like animating idle. I go to the script. So when we target, I'll do animating idle equals false. Yeah, I think this is what... Delivery, I don't get it. Let's see. Okay. It is kind of working now. So once, so let's, oh, sorry, you're not, oh yeah, you are seeing this. So once we release it, we will checklist again to see if there's more corn to be acquired. It is not checking the list. Oh, so they say in the end of every Little Caesars ad. Oh, that's extremely specific. I would never have guessed. The only ads that I get are just, oh my god, I hate those ads. It's like, games everyone says is fake, part 5. And then there's this guy playing this like fucking shitty mobile game, you know, those really like cash grabby games. Ugh. Disgusted. I hate those with all my might. Yeah, anyways, I think I forgot to do current corn target equals no. So that's why it's not looping back. Let's see. Okay. Man, this is nice. Okay. So let me add some more corn here. Actually, no, it's gonna be... Yeah, now I think it's working. I just need to find a way to put the corn on the list now. Yoink. Yoink. Oh. Did you see that? Sussy behavior. Sussy behavior. Yoink. Yoink. Yeah, I think it's because there's no system to remove the corn from the list if they're too distant from the thing. So I think the last thing I'll do on the stream is fix this. So yeah, this is it. So once you detach from a corn, I'll just remove it from the list. And you're not seeing the code. Yes. So I'll do corn list dot remove current corn target. This should maybe fix it. So I'm gonna do a collider around the tractor, or around the arm rather. So I'll do like a sphere collider, and then I'll make it a trigger, and I'll make it 7.1 distance. And then every time, so on trigger enter, every single time, you are not seeing the code. You are not seeing the code as usual. So now you are. So every single time, so if other dot compare tag corn, every single time a corn enters that list, I'm gonna add it to the list. Sorry, enters that collider, I'm gonna add it to corn list. So corn list dot add other dot get components corn behavior. And every time on trigger exit, if other dot compare tag corn list dot remove other dot get components corn behavior, bada bing bada boom. Cool. So let's make it, let's add some more corn here just for funsies, and let's remove the, oh, you're not seeing Unity, and let's remove the corn from the list here. So let's just empty the list. So let's see what's gonna happen. I should also make the tractor a little further from the corn. Yeah. Okay. See, so now the list is managing itself. And I forgot to do something. So every time a new corn is added to the list, we're gonna do checklist, and that's fine because if you already have like a corn that we're interacting with, then it's gonna ignore this because of this line here. And also, I think I'll do the same. Like I'll checklist if we remove the corn from this collider, like if a corn leaves the collider as well. So let's see. This is weird. It's supposed to be, you see? Current corn target, corn 9, which is, so this one left the collider, but it didn't. Oh, I think I know. So if other equals current corn target, then current corn target equals no. Yeah, might be some leftover weird script or something. Yeah, this system has to be squeaky clean, otherwise it's gonna be really buggy. So I gotta count for every edge case. Yoink, yoink. At least it's not collecting the corn that it can reach, you see? However, it stops collecting after a while. Like it's like there's something clogged here in the system. See? It's the current corn target's the corn 8, but like it's gone. Let's see. So I'll just go in a straight line and see if it glitches, and then I'll see where it glitches. Let me rotate it a little bit. You know what? Let me remove the, or rather, let me reduce the collider. Maybe that's what's. I'll just make it like 6. Radius 6 should be okay. Why are you not collecting the corn? You see, like corn 7. So like if I force it to collect the corn, then it will. No, it's not. Why is it not? I need to add some debug capabilities here. So harvest. So checklists. Oh. Okay, sorry. So I think that's it. So it should target. So if the list is not null, so let's do if current state equals idle, then you should target the thing. Yeah, something like that. Let's see. I think this should fix everything. Harvest the corn, harvest the corn. Oh, man. Now the list is empty, even though there's a corn right there. So it is seeing the, oh, what did I do? Oh, okay. It is seeing the corn 7, which is this one. So it is the current target corn, but there's no corn on the list, so we removed it even though it's right there. Anyways, I said I will add some debug capabilities and didn't do that, so I'll do that now. So when it targets, debug.log, current corn target not null. Animation state is idle, targeting current corn. I also gotta check the state that it's in. Oh, that was weird. Of course, there's always some weird, hard bug to find, but once I iron out all of the details here, it should be like a pretty self-sustainable system. Why is it going twice? Like, it doesn't make sense. So it is targeting, so it's gonna collect it. Yeah, so now it worked. So let me try to see what happens when it does it twice. Targeting, so up. So it went from targeting to idle for some reason. Ah, because it doesn't know. I think I know what it is. Oh, this is giving me a fucking headache, man. Okay, let me see. So current corn target. Let me see where else I'm setting this, because maybe. So I'm setting it to no. So when I harvest, I set it to null, and I remove it from the corn list, which is intended. When I detach from it, I set the current target to null as well. Which makes sense. Okay, I'm not sure. I'll have to fix this next time because it's annoying. But what I will do, something fun just to end the stream on a high note. I will do the following. You probably know already what I'm gonna do. System's still kind of buggy, but doesn't mean we can't have a little bit of fun. Very cool. You know, I'm stupid. Delivery position doesn't have to be on the arm. It can be like on the tractor. So I just need to have one Yeah, here. Perfect. Here. Now the idle position is different. So for this one, the idle position will be like here. For this one, it can be here. For this one, it can be here. Or something. And then I go here. Can I just... No, I can't. What if I do this? No. This. Okay, now it's good. And then idle position can be like here. Then duplicate this, rotate it like this. Idle position here or something, just for testing now. Then duplicate this boy. Cool. So now I'm gonna delete all this crop or a corn. Oh, also, you gotta go to the arms here and then make them all have the deliver position here, like so. And then I'm gonna reactivate the corn script wherever it may be here. So let's see how it works. Oh God. I mean, it's still very buggy, but it is very cool to see though. However, they keep... okay, I know. I know what it is. You should only add corn to the list. Arms race. Spiedner. Yeah, it is a Spiedner. You should only add corn to the list. So if... So let's do corn behavior. Corn B equals other.get component corn behavior. So if corn B dot available, then we do those things. Only then. Corn list dot add corn B. So it only removes corn. It only adds corn that is available. So hopefully they stop trying to get the same corn. Another improvement I can make is once they deliver the corn, I can do this. So if corn list dot count greater than 0, then I'll check. So, oh, sorry, wait. Yeah, so I'll check the list and try to get more corn. If it is 0, then it goes back to idle, because they keep going back to idle no matter what. But they should only go back to idle if there's no more corn to be acquired. Corn acquired. See, so yeah, they keep trying to reach back for the corn that they're passing by. Collect all the corn. Let's see how long they will go, because they're not collecting anything. Or maybe... Cornflake. Millennial humor. It is rather slow. I mean, I guess I could make an upgrade for speed, but... yeah, it's just harvesting everything. Let's see what happens when they finish. I dislike how the animations are all like the same, like they are synchronized. But this is kind of nice. I'll just add like a, you know what? Let me add a... Do I not have game creator here on this project? Let me add that. Never mind. It's gonna ask me to freaking restart the project or something. It is taking a while to harvest the corn. Let's see. I'll just improve the speed so it will target in 0.3 and then it will lock on in 0.3 and then it will deliver in 0.3. So this should speed up quite a bit, and also it will release in 0.3. You know what? Let me make it a variable. Let me do public float speed. So now I'll do speed. I'll make it like 1 by default. So speed, and then speed, and then speed, and then speed. That's it. So I can change it on the fly. So let me select all of them. So now it's at speed 1, so it should go super slowly. Alright, so what if I do 0.3? Oh, damn, I gotta pause. 0.3. It's still kind of slow. It's probably like the bug, or I guess it's a lot of corn. So I will, I will do 0.1. Let's see. They keep reaching for a corn that doesn't exist. Like, I gotta fix this bug for sure. You see they're reaching here and stuff. Now for the ultimate test. We'll do 0.01. Whoa! Even then, it's still like not. I mean, now it is collecting everything. That's crazy. Okay. One last thing I'll add is I'll do float animation offset, and then on the sign value I'll do 1 plus animation offsets, and then on start I'll do animation offset equals random.range from 0 to like 3 or something. So hopefully each arm will animate a little differently now. Oh yeah, now this is pretty cool. Looks like the Factorio spider thing. Oh, much better. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Just gotta fix the bug. Corn phaser. Corn destructor. I'll also do one last thing. I keep saying one last thing, but it's really fun. So I'll do public int arm number, and then I'll do something like this. So arm 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then once they deliver, I'll do deliver position dot, so deliver position dot y. Oh, dot position. Oh, sorry. So I'll do vector 3 deliver pose equals deliver position, the position, and then deliver position dot y plus equals arm number. So each of them will have like a spot, because they keep no clipping, so the arms keep intersecting because they're delivering on the same spot. So I'll just make them deliver each on a separate spot. It's not working. Oh, because I haven't changed the variable. So deliver pose like so. Yeah, something like that. Or rather, last thing. It's a little more complicated, but so deliver position. So deliver position will be. I know. So the deliver position will be vector3.lerp. This is actually so cool, Lamel. Thank you so much. It's very fun to make. So deliver position equals vector3.lerp, and then I'll do transform.position, and then deliver position.position, and I'll do like almost at the end, like so. So now they should hopefully deliver it on like slightly uno mas looking as what? Wait, let me fix 0.8f. This is not right. Wait, let me see here. This doesn't seem to be working. Wait a second. It's a little better. It's just taking a long time to harvest the corn, but let me just change the script and space out the corn a little more. So I'll do one corn crop every 5 spots. And let's see how it works. Oh, now it's a little nicer, yeah. Because they're not like super busy all the time. All right. Yeah, this should do it for today. Very fun. It's very satisfying to see. Just collecting all the corn. Actually, okay, one last thing before I go. Uno mas. Oh, that's a bug. Yeah, it's not supposed to hold corn and not do anything with it. Yeah, the system is buggy, but I'll fix it. But one last thing, just for flair, I'll do this. I'll do a little animation. So let me put a crop here. So I will do a little thing here called leaves. Yes, so I'll do a particle system here. I'll make it a box. Emission like 3. The shape will be a box. Tall box. Like this tall. Or this tall. The position a little lower, like so. And then no speed. And then emission, I'll do a burst of 5. Stop play. Yeah, like so. A little bit of gravity. Where's the gravity? Here. Boom. And then I'll do render. I'll do like a stretched billboard. I'll do this material here, it doesn't matter. I'll do like dark green. Yeah, so I'll do this material. I'll also change the shape a little bit to be a little higher. And then it'll last for like 3.5 seconds. Velocity over lifetime. No, sorry, I think it was rotation over lifetime or something. No. You know what? I'll do. So I'll do like. Corn blood. Yeah, that's the corn blood, my friend. I'll do like a little speed. Like, and then I'll have to rotate this like so. Minus 90. 1 on this axis, 2 on this axis. So I'll make it a little longer. It does not loop, so poo. Poo. Let's make it a little less dark. Also, I'll change the shape. The shape is not. I'll do like a hemisphere. Yeah, this is okay. Oh, much better. And then I'll do collision. Planes. World. Oh. I don't get it. Collides with. No, this is too much, whatever. Boom. Just reduce the gravity because they're leaves. Now I'll do size over lifetime, and I'll just reduce it like so. Yeah, just simple for now. I'll turn it into a prefab. I will go to my pooling system. I'm gonna add it like so. Leaves. And then I'm gonna do the following. Let's see here. On the code, when I harvest, I will do leaves. You know, do current corn target dot transfer dot position, like so, and then I'll do quaternion dot identity. Let's see if it adds a little bit of juice to this little game. There's an error in my scripts. I know what it is. Fix. Okay, so let's see. Hey. Oh, sorry, I forgot to add a self-destruct script. Oh, why is this maximized? So this needs a self-destruct script, which I think I have coded already. Yes, so yeah, so the leaves, they last 1 second, so yeah, I'll just destroy it in 1 second. And that should be it. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, it's not great, but at least it's there, and I can, whoa. Oh. They keep looping. Yeah, I guess this is indicative that like the arms are getting corn that doesn't exist. So that's where the glitch is. I'll fix it for sure on the next stream. I mean, not for sure. I don't know, but it's really cool. Okay, I got a headache. I gotta go, but it was fun. This is actually starting to look like a game. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all. And I'll see you guys on the next stream.